If you want to add another Google account on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, open up your settings. After that, you're gonna scroll down right to our accounts and backup option. Here it is. So find your manage accounts. After that, press add account and locate your Google option. Here it is. Tap on your Google. So now you have to verify your identity. You can either use PIN or scan your fingerprint. If you have your fingerprint scanner set up, now enter your email. After you entered your Google account, press next. And now you have to enter your password. After you entered your password, press next. Press I agree. Now you can add a recovery phone or recovery email if you need to. I'll press cancel. So, and basically that's it. Now we are signed in. And if we're gonna open up, also we have to accept some other terms. So now if we're gonna open up our manage account section, we'll find both of our Google accounts. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.